How do I change my name on PayPal?
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of changing your name on PayPal. Whether you've had a name change due to marriage, legal reasons, or if there was simply a spelling error when you initially set up your account, this guide will help you make the necessary updates.
Understanding the PayPal name change policy.
Before we begin, it's important to understand that PayPal doesn't allow for casual name changes. You can change the name on your PayPal account only if it was misspelled, or if you've legally changed your name.
Logging into your PayPal account.
The first step to change your name in PayPal is to log into your account. 1. Go to the PayPal website. 2. Enter your credentials to log in.
Accessing the name change section.
After you've logged in, you'll need to access the name change section. 1. Click on the settings icon, a cogwheel located at the top right corner of your account page. 2. Next, click on the name section, which will show your current PayPal name.
Changing your name.
Once you're in the name change section, you'll be guided through the following steps. 1. Click on the update option next to your name. 2. Choose the appropriate reason for your name change. 3. Follow the prompts to enter your new name. Please note that depending on the reason for your name change, you may need to provide supporting documents such as a copy of your driver's license, passport, or legal name change document.
Reviewing and submitting your request.
After entering your new name and uploading any required documents, 1. Review all the information to make sure it's correct. 2. Finally, click on the Submit button to send your name change request to PayPal. And that's it. Remember, it might take a bit of time for PayPal to process your request and update your account, but with these steps, you've successfully initiated a name change request. We hope this guide has been helpful and made the process of changing your name on PayPal easier for you. Thanks for watching.